Morning, everybody. So before I even continue, please guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to my imperfect life. We know everybody is not perfect, but we try regardless. So guys, having said that, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly hit that subscribe button so that you can join my small family. So guys, najua nimewachosha na hii room, but I'm here because my house help is in the sitting room and I don't want to do this intro in the sitting room and I'm talking like in a low tone so that she doesn't get to hear whatever I'm saying. So guys, today I want to prank her and I also want to prank my friend Graciela. So I want to do this car bottle challenge. Yesterday night I was watching this celebrity prank something, revenge prank on E. Yeah, so I saw someone pranked her mother with a bottle, like you go and take your eyes down to the bottle with the bottle has water, and then when she goes down like this and then you press the bottle and then the water splashes up. I don't know whatever I will tell her. I don't know how it will play out, but I'm hoping that it will be good. So guys, stay tuned to this prank. I'm hoping that it will go well with me. I hope that I don't get punched on the face, guys. So guys, but I'll do this later on. I'm going to shower and then after that is when I'll go back to the sitting room and I'll tell her that we play the game, but it's a prank, guys. Yo guys, yo, I am here full force.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're new here, this is Maisha Nado, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly subscribe to that channel, because me and Polly, we will be bringing you a lot of content, right Polly? We will be bringing them a lot of content, right?
Yeah.
Yes. So guys, whatever we want to do today, it's kind of a thing that I saw online, like people, like you put your eyes in a bottle, and guys, I took my bottle of water and it's already in the fridge, and let me bring out the bottle and then we see how it goes, right?
Yeah.
So guys, this is our bottle of water. Yeah, I don't know if you can see it, but this is our bottle of water. And what we do is, Pauline, what we are doing is, you take your eye and then we see how long you like, how long you will take to watch inside water, to like see inside water. We will see whoever will go like the longest. Is it okay? Like the water is cold, eh?
Yeah.
And then you take your eye and do what? I'll show you. So guys, this is our water here, and then now let me show Pauline what we will be doing, and then she will do it too. Alright? Are we ready? Are we ready?
Yeah.
You are ready?
Yeah.
So like, you do like this, you take your eye, your one eye, and then you put like this, eh? Like you do this, like you see, if you watch into water, it will be like, it will take your head, like your head will be like you've taken alcohol. So you stay like that until now, like the more that you can take. Okay?
Yeah.
Wait, I stand here, you stand here. Okay guys, it is Pauline's turn. Who are you supporting between me and Pauline? Because I hope it is me, because I will win. Okay, So we go. You try, like you try to bring it like closer to the bottle until you see like the water is up here, like the bottle is up here. You watch and see. Go like this. But we got Pauline, okay? So Pauline, this was a prank. It was not a game. I am so sorry. So guys, I hope you enjoyed our prank and we have more. We are going to our friend gift and we are going to do the same thing. We are going to lie to gift that we've already done this at home, so it's her turn to do it and we will prank her too, guys. You wanna stay tuned for this one. Bye for now. Okay guys, we're already here at Graciela's place and we are ready to start the game. I just want to explain to her whatever we will be doing with this. Okay guys, stay tuned. So number one, you take your eye, okay, one eye, and then you try to see through this thing. When you try to see through it, you will see like the flow will come up here. It will be like a trick, so we see how long we can take to see the flow here. So you open your eye here and then you see. You bring it close a little bit. It's not even close. Don't go, come on. No. You bring your eyes closed. You bend. Oh, it has dried up, but she had like water. Mama. And you know what, guys? I was afraid that you ungekuwa ushaiona online. It's a thing that is trending online, so I was afraid that she might have seen it. That was it, guys. I hope you enjoyed all of that. We've got our friend Graciela here. We've got her very good. So guys, see you until the next one.